Home remedies for ulcers. An ulcer is a kind of erosion on the surface of an organ or tissue. Ulcers most commonly occur in the esophagus, stomach and duodenum. Such types of ulcers are known as peptic ulcers. Here are the top 5 home remedies for ulcers. Number 1. Cabbage. Cabbage is a great remedy for ulcers in the stomach. Cut half of a head of cabbage into chunks and throw it into a blender with a bit of water. Blend until it makes a sort of juice. Drink the fresh juice before each meal. Repeat daily for a few weeks. Number 2. Bananas. Bananas can help heal a stomach ulcer by promoting cellular proliferation in the stomach. Peel 2 or 3 bananas and cut them into thin slices. Put the slices in the sun until they become dry. Grind the dried banana pieces into a fine powder. Mix together 2 tablespoons of this powder and 1 tablespoon of honey. Take this mixture 3 times a day for 1 week. Number 3. Garlic. Another good remedy for ulcers is garlic. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds that are responsible for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Eat 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves followed by a glass of water daily on an empty stomach. Number 4. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is another good remedy that you must definitely try if you're suffering from an ulcer. Boil 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in 2 cups of water. Strain it, add a little honey and drink it. Do it twice daily. Number 5. Honey. Raw honey has potent healing properties that help a lot in the treatment of stomach ulcers. Consume 2 tablespoons of raw honey daily, early in the morning on an empty stomach. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.